Josh!
God, fucking
You're
hell.
fucking boss! I want the race! Let's go! Let's go!
Hey, alright. How's it going, Billiam? How are things? Fucking hell. That got my ass. I saw my old pre-stream screen recently, and I'll be honest, I kind of miss it. If I'm keeping it 100. Sorry, I have to copy some images into a server real quick. What the fuck is OBS? Does jump scare hurt your life flash before you? Oh, yeah, I know it's fucked up. Like I keep, I do literally do it to myself by making it that loud, but like, you know. I gotta go bathroom and I gotta get my bed hit. But I have to do that right after I post these posts in this place where they need to go.
Josh!
Fucking hell!
You're fucking boss! I want the race! Let's go! Let's go!
Man, this track is vibe. It's so good, man. Kalon, how's it going? This track is so good. I love Station Square so much. It's perfect. It's wonderful. It's everything you could ever want it to be. It might be the perfect song, like, I don't know. Fucking hell, Hype Train, the stream has been on for 3 minutes! The 3-minute Hype Train, the fucking hell. That's crazy. Going bad, I'm sick. Ah, sorry to hear. What do you have the novel coronavirus, or what's the plague you've come down with? Jaunty's sick at the minute. They have the novel coronavirus. Learned this today. So that's unfortunate. Hope yours is less afflicting than that, less severe. But you know. Right, I'm going to put trackies on. I'm currently in jeans. I'm not trying to fucking sit. It's a stomach virus. Ugh. Have you been hurling and shit? That's rough. Or have you been lucky in that you haven't been hurling, but you've been like, you know, it's just, I say lucky. Have you just been like feeling extremely awful in the stomach region? You're so fucking brave for surviving this stomach ache. Right, I'm going to grab... Dude, hype trains last a while. I'm gonna grab my Vit and piss, and then I'll be right back. Forgot I also need to fill my water. fever cause delirium one night. Ugh. I thought I was going insane. Jesus Christ. How long you had this fucking thing? Alright, I'm back for real. Fever caused delirium, I see. Hype train complete at level 1, 63% computer, total of 2 sub-gifts. 0, wait, with the gifts. Hey Josh, you're going to be installing the fighting minigame Twitch plugin. 30% off. Steam fishing. What the fuck are you talking about? The fishing minigame Twitch plugin. Hang on. Hold the fucking phone. What's it called? Yo, Five Nights at Freddy's Secret of the Mimic! Dude, they just fucking pump out FNAF games, and it's literally no one's business. Like, no one ever knows when one's coming out. That's like how it always was, right? But this is crazy. Lurkbait Twitch fishing. What is this? A Twitch-powered interactive cozy fishing indie idle game. Add an overlay for your stream and let your viewers fish for commands, points, bits, or subs. Reel in lurkers and boost viewer engagement passively with a fun interactive game for itself. That's so funny. What the fuck? Maybe. Open Steam and it was like, hey man, this is what you're into, right? Yeah, you're a big streamer. You're passing the baton. Fucking hell. I might tap in. It's like it's 4.20. It's on sale for €4.20. Fuck it, I'll just add it to my cart. I'll just buy it. I can set it up at some point. Let's see how it is. Josh smells. Is that true? Fuck. Damn, I guess, I mean, I just showered, but I mean, if you can smell it from all the way over there, it must be fucking over, you know? How's it going, Adam? How are things? It's €4.20 somewhere. What do you mean somewhere? What are you talking about? Why do I have £3 in my fucking PayPal balance? I thought I couldn't take that shit. I thought my PayPal couldn't keep that currency that way. Well, I've purchased the thing. Whatever the fuck it was called. The lurking fishing game or whatever. Tractor, how are things? What's poppin'? What's going on? Best currency in the world. None of that foreign nonsense. Hey, alright. Okay. it was funny going to... what the fuck is it called? It was funny going to Sweden and they still use... Keelan, what was the name of that fucking currency? I keep going to say lira. That's what the Italian one used to be. The 4 euros. Kroner. Yeah, it sounds fake and made up. Yeah, that's the one. So I have a reveal. It's not even really a reveal. It's something that you won't notice probably at all, but it makes a significant amount of difference to me. Not Kroner, that's the stamped one. Yeah. It's so funny that Sweden and Denmark have different kroners. Like they're both called kroner, but they're so similar. Not similar, sorry, but they have different values. I get, and like I know we have that with dollars, right? We have the Australian dollar and the American dollar and the Canadian dollar, but that's like stupid though, right? How does that happen? What a terrible thing to happen. You would think other countries would try to avoid that situation. It's like, you know, one of us has to get changed. This is embarrassing. We can't go out like this. Maybe other stuff should get on the kroner train. Maybe the Welsh. Maybe we should. Maybe it's time for the Welsh kroner. Maybe you're right. My microphone is on its fucking last legs, brother. I get up some of my fucking... I listen back to some of my fucking streams sometimes just because I'm checking if they upload it to YouTube okay. And like the way my... Like there's like it's like there's a filter on everything I say. It only translates to crowns, I think. I think one is krone and the other is krona. Ah, okay. I need to start paying Shay so I can take her microphone guilt-free. But I was in fucking Sweden this month and I came home and there's other stuff I need to spend money on. I'm like, maybe I don't have the money to give this shit. Give Shay this for the minute. But I really should. It's getting... That'll be grand. I've got money saved up. I can just do it. I'll just fucking do it. And I'll be in Ireland. Is IGM... When is IGM again? IGM's on the 5th and 6th, is it? The summer IGM, the July one? I'll probably pull up to that. I'm thinking I pull up to that. 17 days. Yeah, I imagine it must be on the first month of July then. Okay. Anyway, I should start the stream. What time are we at? 14 minutes! I did not mean to let it run over that much. More countries need to change up flag colors. Red, white, and blue has been done to death. Yeah, honestly. It's kind of embarrassing. Alright, let me, first of all, let me switch my monitor to be on HDMI instead of DP. And then, yippee! Yeah, I've got a new Elgato. So normally, when I switch to my... Is this way too loud? Also, I forgot to turn on my goddamn... Ah, fuck, where's the switch for the speakers? Do I go IGM? You can do that, man. No, listen, I think it would be a good choice, personally. And I think it's fine. Okay, well, we're gonna find out when I open up Super Monkey Ball, you know? That's the real test. Fuck me. Get up here, you little piece of shit. Okay. Sound. What do you mean, fucking update? Bro, give over. Just start the software. I'll update it another time. Faceburger. I personally, I think you go to IGM. I think it would be fun. It would be neat. You get. It's a convention, but it's also a tournament. That's crazy. You know. I think it's good. Is it just me, or do I've put on a lot of weight recently, right? But does this specific shirt make me, from when you can only see like from up here, I feel like it makes me look like a little, not hench. It makes me look more fit than I am, it feels like. Anyway. Maybe I'm thinking. Can I go and get back to the one game? Yes? Yeah. Yeah. These speakers are, something's up with these. Bit loud. I didn't think that was the case. I forgot to turn it down. I checked. There we go. I did check the settings on the other Elgato. It's got here now more dev somehow. Listen, monkey's loud as fuck hashtag, to be honest. It's how before that I started stream, I did check the sound settings on the other Elgato, on Jaunty's Elgato, to make sure I didn't just immediately deafen everyone. I need to get a fucking ring light or something. This isn't working. It's a 5% volume. That's crazy. What countries need to change it? Yeah. I forgot what I was saying. It's gone. The thought is gone. It doesn't matter. I didn't need it. So I'm not sure what you're saying on account of being deafened. I mean, that's fine. Listen, if you gain nothing from this, but the inability, but like the sorry. Watch a man get banned? It's really easy nowadays. You can just say shit. Gulp.
Ready? Go!
You're fucking something else, man. Lukey, how are things? Paddy, how's it going?
Ready?
Guilty Gear.
Go!
Chilled. Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah. That's sick. Glad to hear it. How chilled we talking? What are you fucking up to? Oh, I have to think of Guilty Gear lore to do. I keep forgetting to like sit down and like actually look at. Wait, sorry, brain blast. Jaunty told me some shit recently. Who wants to hear about taxes in Guilty Gear? Who wants to hear about taxes in Guilty Gear? Because they have this. This is world building that exists. Oh. GG World taxation. Alright. Jesus Christ, Patty. Oh fuck, sorry, my bad. My mistake. My fucking I'm so sorry. Alright. I don't think I can ban you for the Mogos guy having his ass out. Not from your ass. Where's Ben, man? Okay. Guilty Gear lore, okay? So here's the thing with taxes and Guilty Gear, okay? I'm never gonna fix this. Fuck, I'm never gonna fix this. So taxes in Guilty Gear lore, I'm reading off the wiki because it's just insane. While they have property tax, in brackets real estate or fixed asset tax, income tax, circulation tax, etc., it is not large enough to heavily affect a person's style of living. Conversely, land acquisition taxes and consumption tax are set slightly higher. Restoration of the city centre, I can't even move it in a way that makes sense. In a way, yeah, VBED, don't worry about it. Restoration of the city centre is moving along to the area that has thus been far sorted, still limited, causing a large gap in standards of living in different regions. For less well-off families living on the edge of the city, the taxes can quickly become overwhelming, leading to programs to help them mitigate certain taxes. The effort has kept the entire population positive, and neither class has any dissatisfaction with the way government is run. This shit is so funny to me. Because Jonty told me about this, and it is literally like, oh yeah, we just solved the class system, like it's fine. Rich people can still exist, and they're just, like, poor people are just chill with that. We just did taxes in a way that makes them happy. Which is, yeah, no, they saw, Daisuke just said, why not just do taxes smart, idiot? If anyone wants more GG lore, I have a great recourse. What are you fucking saying to me? Suburban areas, all manners of taxes have been set relatively low, and it is certainly not enough to disrupt their style of life. There is little dissatisfaction among the citizens. And in other remote regions, or underpopulated areas, there is no true like tax in these regions. The deterioration of local administrations led to bad bookkeeping and tracking. Local governments most likely don't even have a solid understanding of their own populations. Because standards of living are so low, it is hard to implement a new tax. They literally just said, Daisuke said, just fix taxes, idiots. Just fix classes. Fix the class system. Alright, get out of here.
Win. Straight.
Alright. N-hentai parody Guilty Gear. Oh, that's N-hentai. Jesus Christ, Patty. Someone delete that message. Why did I click that? I don't know why I read N-hentai and thought, oh, I wonder what that is. It's in the fucking name. Someone delete that fucking message. I can't do it. I can't delete that message. I don't know how. I don't know how to delete that message. Leave, but I'm on mobile, for fuck's sake. Alright, hang on. I'm timing Patrick out for 10 minutes. It didn't even give me like an opportunity to give him a different time. Fuck's sake. I fucking hate Twitch. The fuck? How do you on-time someone out? Yeah, okay. Alright. Super Monkey Ball, lock in.
Ready? Go!
I read the word N-hentai, and something in my brain didn't register the hentai part.
Ready?
I don't know how I did that. Okay. I'll just do this. Just take it easy. Take it chill. Just fucking relax. Oh, Cole Soma! Thank you for the link on how to delete the Twitch messages. I appreciate that. Ah, fuck.
Ready? Go!
How's it going, Excelor? How are things? Someone clipped that and posted out of context during Josh's career. Post what out of context? I'm so glad. I opened the link too and went, oh, like porn. Like I literally opened the link before I went, oh fuck, right. That's what that word means. Josh has a career?
Ready?
Honestly, like anything the last 5 minutes or so, I'm not picking. No!
Ready? Go!
Okay.
Ready? Go!
I mean, I have a career. It's not this one, but I have one. Do I have career prospects? Different
Ready?
question with a different answer.
Go!
I love the big phoenix in the back. I just think it's cute. It makes me happy. Here. Smash it. I'm trying to figure out what context it ever even had to be out of context. Yeah, no, literally, like, guy posts porn link in my chat. I go, oh, what's this? And I can't delete it from my Not 5 minutes, but you know. Ah!
Ready? Go!
I'm so glad I don't have to do that fuck around with like delaying audio and shit now. If I just want to stream a fucking game from the Switch. Ah, fuck, I skipped it? Yes! I traded in my fucking GPU to buy this capture card. I was already gonna buy it. Because I got it from like CEX for however many smackers. It was gonna be like 55 smackers. Fuck! It was going 55 smackers, and then I like traded in my GPU, which took 30 quid off the price. So fucking £25 capture card. It's pretty good. It runs at 60, whatever, all that bullshit. So I'm pretty happy with it. Even when I don't look at the fucking screen. One of the guys at work had started watching Northernline because he started playing Slay the Spire, and he started fucking repeating Northernline bits at work, and it's so fucking like odd because I didn't even notice it the first time. Oh shit! I didn't even notice it the first time he did it because it was just like an online thing to say. It was like a guy who's looking at the exact same thing as me. He just like said that, and I didn't even register.
10,
But then,
9,
shit.
8, 7.
Why is this so
5,
fucking?
4, 3.
This is like violent.
2,
Swinging
1.
back and forth. Fuck. Fortunately, a common fate that befalls all workers and co-workers alike.
Ready?
I do hear this. Northern Lion is German for employed people, is what I hear.
Ready?
But I don't even think that's necessarily true. Some of the biggest Northern Lion stands I know are extremely unemployed. That's simply the way of things. Come on. Yes. Come on, dude. Why is it like this? Oh, I don't know what's making this curve as hard as it is. I don't know if it's like actually on a slope or what, but it's driving me mad. Come on! Alright. Oh.
Hurry up.
Just,
Ready?
I'm actually gonna fucking... Fortunately, yeah, it's a broad church. It is a broad church, to be fair. No, come back! Fuck. I wish I could see where in space this thing resides. Like, is it diagonal? Is it... Like, what is actually happening on this fucking level that's causing it to be so difficult to control? I have to imagine it's tilting.
Hurry up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Go.
Yes! Fucking hell. Alright. What was it, 8 seconds or something?
Ready? Go.
It's actually 5. Ah! Oh, it did!
Go. Go.
It's really fucking easy is the thing. Dude, I'm so
Ready?
fucking nice at Monkey Ball.
Go.
I do miss Monkey Ball 1. I'll be honest. Those were different times. Fuck.
Ready?
Those times where green bit. What are you? Shut up, man. Listen, I can't help the fact that you have dubious tastes. I'm glad you liked the Yuzu one, but the thing about Bit Hits is that they're all one. Okay. Have you tried any more past those two? Because I think it's worth it. And the beautiful things about Fit Hits is that there are so many. There's so many different strokes for so many different folks. I gotta email Fit Hit. As soon as I get the new microphone and my streams don't sound like complete shit, I gotta email Fit Hit and be like, hey man, we gotta talk. You and me, mano a mano. I could bring you in so much fucking money. I could bring you in $5. Sucralose? It has sucralose?
9,
I'm not gonna lie, I did not know this shit.
7, 6.
Fuck. If it isn't Twitch fishing in 2025, I'm really streaming. So true. Is that actually what's in this shit? With added vitamins and sweetener. I didn't realize. Damn. It is sucralose, isn't it? I can't believe these things might not be good for you. We need VidHit to sponsor events. Red Bull fridge, but VidHit's beside players. Yeah. No, it would be great. Ah, fuck.
Ready?
I'm blaming you for that, person. I feel so fucked up, dude. I can't. I like. I remember Curly said years ago, like 2 or 3 years ago, like there's no shot that those things don't have something. There's no way they're good for you. Like nah. They're real. They're natural. Beautiful. Don't talk shit about mine. Like, I love it. They were right. They were dead right. It is good conceptually, but sucralose tastes bad for me apparently. Oh, that's unfortunate. I don't know what sucralose is, to be honest. I don't know what that shit is. I don't know how good or bad it is.
Hurry up.
Josh learning about sweeteners and instantly burning it's sponsor for it.
7, 6.
Like learning about sweeteners is a
4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Time over.
No!
Ready? Go!
I'm fucked up, dude. Do you know how Amos has sugar? Do tell! Sucralose is a sugar substitute. Yeah, that's what I thought. Not real sugar. Yeah. But it's like, sugar substitutes, I'm often like, okay, but what is it? Because sugar substitutes, I've heard, can be just as bad as sugar. Right? Like the shit you're drinking in a Diet Coke, I've heard. Maybe this is the shit they put in the Diet Coke. I don't know. Let me get over here. I don't know why I did that.
Ready?
There was no reason. Sucralose E955 ist ein. What the fuck is? Why did you do it in German? Wikipedia put it in German for some reason. So there you go. Ist ein Substoff der etwa 600. I can't read German. I don't know if that's become apparent. Not even in like a. I don't know the language sense, but in like a. I can't read the special characters. I can't read the accents type shit. You know what I mean? I'm sure it became apparent a little quickly, but I just thought I'd tell you anyway, just because we like being honest.
Ready? Go!
Sucralose is soot. Oh no, my brain worms. Why? What does that mean? Hot Amos is famous Amos cookies. Is that real? Wait. Is that what Hot Amos is? Is that what it's been this whole time? Is that why the person got on the fucking donation and was like, thank you for teaching the world about Hot Amos? I'm still thinking about that fucking clip of Squid hearing that donation and just the fucking flick towards the camera. It's so funny. It's so good. Oh, what a fucking clip. What a fucking clip. It's incredible. It's truly wonderful. Ah, shit. Sometimes I forget that somebody has a problem I have with Nintendo.
Hurry up! 10, 9, 8,
8, 7.
Sit all out.
No, dude!
Ready? Go!
I'm going to venture to Umlaut. The B shape is double S. So what the fuck do you mean double S? No, the umlaut is the dot. The B is the sharp. It is a double S sound. Fair, I've spent more half my life not studying German anymore. I know it's just an S sound. Okay. All I know is you can't make an cracking a few eggs. Banger! That's a banger. Oh. Jaunty messaged in the group chat that they had COVID today. They're like, fuck's sake, I have COVID. And I was sitting there on this hovering over this gif of German going, yes! Yes! For like so long, thinking, do I just send this in response? I really want. I pussied out, and I regretted it instantly. So I didn't do that, but... Sucralose eats soup first. Sucralose is sus! Fuck's sake. Fuck.
Ready? Go!
I might pull out the hedgehog in a bit. I love Hatsune Miku, but it might be time for a little bit of fucking around. How can you hear the game audio twice, by the way? Like, is there an echo? I'm curious because I'm listening. I have the game audio on my speakers right now. I have it relatively quiet, and my mic is on. It should be on cardioid settings. Yes. Yeah. Well, that's not right. Hello? Settings it was on. My mic shouldn't have been on the settings it was on. How does that sound now? It was on the wrong settings. How does it sound now? I think it's fine. Okay, sound. The audio seemed out of sync. I should get fucked. Game audio shouldn't be out of sync. I would hope it's not out of sync. Fuck. This banana goal shit might be ending. How about the end of the game anyway? It doesn't really fucking matter. Because this is getting like a little too fuck. I'm hearing double 4 Super Pokeballs. Fuck. Ah! Miku would appreciate it. I think you should get the bananas, Miku. It is still funny. Like I never thought about the fact that I call them bananas, despite them not being bananas when I play as Miku. But it is hitting me now that you're calling them bananas, saying that it would make Miku happy. Man, these things aren't bananas, are they? There's something about them. I feel like there's something a little unusual about them that might give away the fact that they might not. Potassium enriched music. Exactly. You understand the vision.
Hurry up! 10, 9, 8, 7,
Ooh.
6,
Dicey.
5, 4,
No! I got fucking scared, and I started panicking, and I would have made that too. I absolutely had time. All I had to do was fucking get to the end and fling myself up. How are you meant to get all the fucking bananas on this one? That's crazy. That's deranged. It's been a minute since I've played Super Monkey Ball, you know. Feels like it's been a minute.
Hurry up! 10, 9,
I'm hurrying.
8, 7, go!
She needs him. She might run out of mid-concert. It's true. It's fucking. It's awful the shit that pop stars have to contend with these days. Hang on. I'm gonna fling myself. I want to fling myself so fucking. This is always the fun part. The fun part is just lobbing myself at the goal. If I get a fucking ring light, where am I even gonna put it? Because my monitors are like pretty close together. I need to see Germa's setup. Because he had it, like, he showed it whenever he was doing the fucking,
Ready? Go!
he was doing the, what do you call it? The, who will be the next Germa thing. Dude, if I was on that show, let me tell ya.
Go! Ready? Go!
I would have won, and I would have made sure there was, the original Germa wouldn't be around too certain again at the end.
Ready? Go!
What did they do at the end of that bit? Did they
Ready?
kill him?
Go!
I don't remember. I think they killed him, right?
Ready?
Like, someone shot him. I don't remember who.
Ready?
In
Go!
fact, let me... Yeah, okay.
Ball out.
Okay.
Ready? Go!
Okay.
Ready? Go!
Okay, it
Ready?
sucks. It sucks.
Go!
It's ass. Germas work like the Sith. There is always one master and one apprentice. Hold on. Wait, no, let me back in. No.
Ball out. Ready? Go!
There's always one master.
Ready? Go!
I will become the Anakin to his what the fuck is his name?
Ready?
Ambro charger switch. Don't it is charging. It's literally charging right now. Okay.
Go!
I just keep not having it on the charger in between streams because I only have so many power sockets. So then I go to stream Super Monkey Ball. I'm like, ah, yeah, my Switch died while being just sitting. You know?
Ready? Go!
Like, I don't use the thing outside of Monkey Ball Mondays, really. What's the time? 25? I can do less. I can do less than 25. I can definitely do that.
Ready? Go!
Okay. Okay.
Ready?
So I shoot and then I immediately hold back. I think is the play.
Ready?
Nope.
Go!
Not quite. Miku?
Ready? Go!
150-pound monkey ball machine? Yeah. Yeah. And let me tell you, when they release a monkey ball on the Switch 2 and make that one fucking exclusive for no reason, it's gonna be it's gonna be a fucking 400-pound monkey ball.
Ready? Go!
Why is this Switch exclusive? Like, actually. Like, they don't even have Nintendo characters anymore. Like, justify in this game that has, like, Godzilla and Hatsune Miku. I doubt they signed a fucking exclusivity deal with Nintendo for Super Monkey Ball. I kind of doubt that's what played out.
Ready? Go!
If I shoot more this way. Nope.
Ready? Go!
Okay, that was just the stuff that we couldn't do. Unless... No.
Ready?
Godzilla, not a Mario character? He's like tangentially related to Bowser, but they're like this. Oh, that's if you do the second character, that means you could appear in BF6. Yes!
Ready?
That you're doing a bit right now, but that does mean that. That is actually what that means. VF6 might be the... Sorry, I've just decided all of a sudden, out of nowhere, that Virtua Fighter 6 might be the best fighting game that will ever release. All of a sudden.
Ready? Go!
I am so curious about what they're going to do with VF6. Because VF5 has been Virtua Fighter for the last 25 years. Last 20 years.
Ready? Go!
So it's like, what do they change, you know? Like, so much, they have to do 20 years worth of like, not catching up per se, but like, there's a lot of modernization that's going to happen. And there's a lot of, like, not even necessarily modernization, I don't even mean shit like, they're gonna make Akira Yuki turn green and run towards the opponent. I mean just shit like, you know, the sound effects are gonna be different, there's like, the juggles are gonna be different, because I don't think they're gonna get away with making juggles that look like that in current year. They can definitely still act like that, but I think they love it.
Ready?
But I'm so fascinated by it. Especially when they said, like, one of their big things with Virtua Fighter 6 is we're gonna make the game more realistic. That's like their big thing with VF6 is to like, their focus is to make Virtua Fighter the realistic fighting game. Or whatever.
Ready?
Now, the Sarah Bryant equivalent is still doing like big fucking 10-mile-high flip kicks.
Ready?
But, you know, can't get rid of that one. Dude, Jackie Bryant is gonna be so fucking old.
Ready? Go!
Shit.
Ready? Go!
I don't know what I'm trying to do here, man.
Go!
Okay.
Ready?
Let me try this. Okay, well, I tried.
Go!
Okay, well, already what I wanted.
Go!
Dude, okay, so I do need to go this way. And I need to, like, veer left, I think.
Ready?
Not that hard left, though.
Go!
I like the little, the motion blur, or the motion lines being, like, rainbow. I think that's cute.
Ready?
Whenever I have it. Wherever they went. I'm kind of just expecting, I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of just expecting to get lucky, bump off something in a weird way, and just kind of get hurtled towards the goal. That is currently the vision.
Ready?
Man,
Go!
I want something to stop me. Maybe I should not fucking fire at this full blast.
Go!
What if I come over this way and then charge it like half of it?
Ready?
Better.
Go! Ready?
Okay, hang on. Hang on. Okay, I could swing that.
Go! Ready? Go!
1, 2, 3. I'm like trying to use like a.
Ready? Go!
Trying to use a marker on the terrain to like tell me when to charge up.
Ready?
In fact, maybe if I just rev up or like release from like further back.
Ready? Go!
Shit.
Ready? Go! Ready? Go! Ready?
Shit.
Go! Ready? Go!
Dude, have you ever been to fucking... okay, I don't think there's any Scousers in my fucking chat anymore, but have you ever... There's this place in Liverpool called Lush Bathhouse. Or Lush something. I don't know if it's Lush Bathhouse, but it's like a specific bathing shop. Like, it's huge. I don't know how big it is, but it's like really big for what you would expect a bathing shop to be. There's just a bunch of different shit. It's a bunch of different like soaps and bath bombs and whatever. No. But the place is so Lush is a chain. Okay. I'd never been in a Lush, right? Until like over the weekend when I saw like saw something I wanted to get something. There's a Lush in Dublin? Dude. What was the... I need to know what the mission was. I need to know what the faster, more fucked up one was.
Ready? Go!
7. Oh, I did do that. No, I didn't do that. Okay. Anyway, moving on. No, okay. Leave. Yeah, no, like... How big is the one in Dublin? Because the one in Liverpool feels like excessive. It's crazy big, it feels like. I'm finishing the game on Miku, I'll do the extra levels on Sonic the fucking Hedgehog or something.
Ready? Go!
What the fuck is this? Oh, you just go over it. Okay, that's fine. That's chill. Okay, that was a stupid thing to do. If I instead go like this way, is there like a thing here that I can ride? Yes. That fairy far is decently big. Oh fuck!
Ready? Go!
I see. I'm kind of surprised. I didn't realize we had them. Because it's on like one of the main streets in Liverpool. It's on like... What the fuck is it called? It's on... I think it's on Church Street. It's on Church Street. I'm pretty sure it's Church Street. I don't think it's Lord Street. Fuck!
Go!
I'm not mad. The crazy thing is I'm not mad.
Ready?
I want it. I want to not have to think too hard about getting it. Yes! Okay, alright. Is there actually a delay in the game audio? Is that real? Are we making that up to make me upset?